Meaning of Dire Straits.
Dire Straits.
Dire Straits.
Dire Straits.
Dire Straits. Dire straits is a phrase that refers to a difficult or critical situation, often one that involves financial troubles. The term originally comes from nautical language, where it was used to describe a narrow passage of water that posed a significant danger for ships to navigate through. Today, the phrase is commonly used in everyday conversation to describe a situation where someone is facing serious challenges or hardships. It can also be used to refer to the British rock band Dire Straits, which was active from 1977 to 1995 and is best known for hits like Money for Nothing and Sultans of Swing.